Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I decided to do this spring glam. I'm here for the color. We're back with the color, and it's not leaving for a good 8 months. Yes, I'm so excited, and I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time. I was testing out some new products in this video as well, and I love how they all came out. So if you guys would like to see how I got this video, just keep watching. And again, I want to thank you guys for 10K. And the 10K giveaway is I'll be giving away a $100 Sephora gift card. My plan was to get buy stuff, but today I got in a fender bender and some 10-wheeler truck sideswiped the side of my car really bad, so that kind of just threw my whole day off. I did not get to purchase the stuff, so what I will be doing is giving a Sephora gift card away. So all you have to do is share my video for the mink lashes and comment down below why, what value does my channel bring to your life? How does it help you or influence you? What value does my channel bring to your life? Because that is my biggest thing, is to just give value away, as I appreciate you guys watching me. So in exchange for your time and attention, I want to provide value. So yes, comment down below and what value my channel brings to your life. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm so excited and I'm so grateful to be at 10K subscribers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes and an E, and I'll see you guys in my next video. First, we're going in with the 35C palette using this color right here, and this is going to be another easy look using only 3 eyeshadows. I'm going to really swirl my brush in there good. When I pack on the color, I always start on the outer V, pack. I don't swish it, I don't sweep back and forth initially. First, I just get the color onto my eye. Now I'm switching brushes, and I'm going to use this pink color, and I'm using my Sigma E25 brush. It's similar to the MAC 217 or the Morphe M433 brush, and then just pack that onto my eye. And now I'm using this color directly in my crease, and again we're packing before we just sweep it back and forth. And then now to bring back that orange color, I'm gonna go back in with that brush and then just run that orange right over the upper crease area of my eye. So now for my lid color, I'm using the Masquerade palette in this color right here. The color doesn't really go with the color that I'm using, the pigment that I'm putting on top of it, but I feel like as long as it has, it's just a good base color, I feel, so that's why I decided to use that. And then when I apply it to my eye, I'm just going to pack it on first. And I feel like you probably can't even really see it, just because the way that the color is very close to the pink, so it just kind of blends in with that. I'll be using my NYX primer. I'll place that all over my lid. And then I'll make sure I get all that primer off the brush before I pack the color on. And y'all, this color is so bomb. It's from jlarue Cosmetics, and it's called Melanin Mermaid, and it literally looks like a mermaid. The color's bomb, and I love pigments. I don't really care for glitters. I love the fineness that pigments offer. When you put it on your eye, it just kind of melts onto your eye, you know, versus glitter is kind of chunky, and I feel like glitter can look caked up on the eye easily. So I love how smooth it is, and it just melts in. And then I also love the reflex of this color. It's so bomb. Liner, I'm using the NYC liquid liner. Okay, so now I'm using the Fenty primer to prime my face. So lately I've been mixing the Super Stay and the Fenty foundation, and I love how it looks it's a really bomb combination. The Superstay is really full coverage. I've already told you guys that. So, and the Fenty is like buildable, medium, kind of sheer, kind of light coverage. So it works out perfect, them together. Like you still get a full coverage look just because the Superstay offers so much coverage. And I have my big ass beauty sponge. Everybody always asks me where, this is a Real Technique sponge. I got it at Ulta. People always ask me where this sponge is from. For my concealer, I'm using the Superstay, what am I talking about? Age Rewind concealer. And when I blend out concealer, I focus on just blending it out in that area. You do see harsh lines, but I do one thing at a time. First I blend it out, and then I go and blend out like the harsh lines. But first I just make sure it's like all the way blended into the skin. So I have this new translucent powder I'm trying out that's also from jlarue Cosmetics, the same pigment, the company with the pigment on my eyes. So it's like a, the color is like peachy, brownish, like terracotta powder color. I'm pretty sure this is the same color as the terracotta powder. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is blended first underneath my eye before I set it. And I'm just gonna take a brush to set my face. And I like using the brush to set my face, especially when I'm going for a more natural look, because like when you set it with a beauty blender, it picks up more product, whereas the brush doesn't pick as much product, so it gives you a more natural finish. So far I like how it's blending out. Like it's not too, like I feel like it's agreeing well with the concealer that I use, if that makes sense. I like that it's not changing the color of my foundation. I really like the color because it's not making me look ashy at all. I really like the color because it's like similar to my skin tone, but still like that light color yellow. Like it's bomb. Wow, no, this is bomb, y'all. Yeah, this is bomb. Like if you guys see, like it just looks super even, I feel, on my face. Like I love the finish that it gave me, and like I said, it just really went well with that concealer. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it set the makeup down really nicely, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to very lightly contour. These days I just don't contour that heavy. I don't know who I am. I say that, then I end up with this harsh ass contour. For my blush, I'm using the Maybelline Blush and Berry. Oh wait, hold on, pause, stop the camera. y'all ain't ready for this highlight. So this again is from jlarue Cosmetics. This is her highlight, Diamond Roses. It's bomb just because it's like it's not too silvery and it's not too gold, so it's like in that middle. So I feel like it goes good with all skin tones, because you know, say if you're my complexion and a highlight is too like icy silvery, then it can make you look ashy. And say if you're too light, you can't wear stuff that's too gold, because it's just like it's darker than your skin. So this is good because it's like literally right in the middle, and it's bomb. Holla, y'all ain't ready. A little, and be careful, it's a loose highlight too, so you know with loose highlights you have to be very, very careful. A little goes a long way. Alright, maybe a little more. Oh my god, I love this highlight. To smudge out the bottom, I'm using this purple from the 35D palette. So before, I always take a Q-tip and run it around my lips before I line them, since I always put chapstick on. And so I'm using Chestnut from MAC. This is a bomb lip lacquer from Maybelline. The shade is Tease.